There's a Bobcat. I want to come in. Please.
Okay, tell her we're going to be home in 1 minute.
Is anyone home?
No, we're going to be home in 1 minute. We'll be home in 1 minute, sweetie. Just stay right there.
Okay. I really want to come in because my mom, I don't know where my mom, I think my mom's at home and I saw it.
No, you stay right there. We're going to be home in 1 minute, sweetie. You stay right there.
Okay. I want my mommy.
Okay.
It's fine. Just stay there, okay? We're literally turning the corner where AJ's is. Okay.
And don't hang up with her. Stay on the phone with her.
Okay.
Can you call my mom?
Yes, I will definitely do that. As soon as I get you in my house safe, I will call your mom.
Okay.
I'm almost there. I'm right by the park. I'm almost there.
Are you in?